this is how you clear your browser's cache in Google Chrome. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the top of the browser here, and where those three dots are, you're going to go ahead and click it. And then at the very bottom, we're going to go ahead and click Settings. Next, you're going to go to Privacy and Security on the left side. Go ahead and click it. And then down here, you'll see Clear Browsing Data. Go ahead and click there. Now, right here, you'll see our cached images and files. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck browsing history and cookies because that's for another video. And then you can see up here you have a time range, last 4 weeks. You have last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days are all time. This is completely up to you. I'm just going to stick with the last 4 weeks. And then go ahead and click Clear Data. The cache in Google Chrome is now clear, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.